Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to convert Figma design to HTML and CSS. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So as you can see, currently we right now have the main page. And so from here, from our Figma design, all we have to do is go ahead and click on the share button on the top right. And then from here, we're going to click on the copy link. Now from here, we're going to go and click on our browser. And now from here, we're going to go to a website that is called Function 12. Now, once you go to function 12, now you're going to find this website right here, function12.io, and you're going to click on it. Once you go here, it's going to redirect you to the main website page, which is going to be this one. And then from here, you're going to click on the sign up button. Now, for now, it says temporary service down, but all you have to do is to simply create an account. And then from here, you're going to paste your link. And once you do that, you're going to click on the get code for free, and it will generate for you the HTML and CSS, which you can download and test instantly. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.